Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. This is Good Health, Good Life, one of the best YouTube channels where I am promoting healthy living. I strongly believe that good health brings good life. That is why I am urging each and every one of you to prioritize health over any other thing. If it interests you to learn healthy tips, to learn about the health benefits of herbs, then this is the best channel for you. All you need to do is join this family by subscribing to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime there is a new video. As you all know, we are in the festive seasons, and Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. This is the time where there is an increase in the production and consumption of carbonated drinks. This is the time where there is an increase in the consumption of artificial beverages and other processed fruit juices. One question I have for you is, do you know that the consumption of these carbonated drinks and processed fruit juices has a long-term health effect on your body? If you are not aware of it, then I'm going to reveal some of the negative effects of consuming these carbonated drinks and other artificial beverages on your body. So do well not to miss any portion of this video. Watch the video to the end. But before I do that, an American author by name Bethany Frankel said in one of her writings, and I quote, "Your diet is a bank account. Good food choices are good investments," unquote. The truth is, money is not the only investment that you need to do. You must also do well to invest in the kind of food you eat. So make good choices when it comes to food. Eat healthy meals, because the food you eat has a long-term positive or negative effect on your body. And if you want to live long, it's a choice you need to make. If you want to live your life going to the hospital, drinking drugs, or taking medication, that is also a choice you need to make. So make sure you make good choices relating to health. So during these festive seasons, the reason why you must avoid the consumption of these carbonated drinks and other artificial fruit juices is because they have a long-term effect on your health, and they are the leading cause of lots of medical conditions such as obesity, stroke, diabetes, heart diseases, and even the sad aspect of it is they are the leading cause of death. Avoid its intake during this festive season. Most people know about the negative effect of these drinks on the body, yet they go ahead to take it or to drink it. Some few people also don't know about its effect on the body. So this video will enlighten each and every one of you to make good choices during this festive seasons. And not only in this festive seasons, for the rest of your life, you must make sure you avoid the intake of these carbonated drinks. Nature has blessed us with natural beverages, and I'm going to share some of them in the video. These artificial beverages or carbonated drinks, together with the processed fruit juices, has no nutrient in them. The body does not benefit when you take them. These drinks contain high amounts of sugar, high amounts of calories, chemical preservatives, flavors, and artificial colors, and all these substances are harmful to you as an individual. Studies have shown that the daily consumption of one carbonated drink or artificial fruit juice increases your chances of diabetes by 18%. It also increases your chances of stroke. It also increases your chances of heart diseases by 20%. And in men, it lowers your sperm count by 30%. This is a true indication that these beverages, these artificial drinks, has effect on your body. The intake of these drinks also affects your brain. It also increases your chances of dental diseases. There is nothing good in taking this drink. You would rather end up exposing your body to medical conditions. Anytime I talk to people about the intake of these artificial beverages, they always tell me that they have been drinking it for a very long time and they have never experienced any of these medical conditions before. But it is a total fallacy. It has a long-term effect on your body. That is why you must avoid taking it. Don't be a victim to any of these medical conditions. Make the right choice when it comes to your health. At this point, I know you are really confused about what drink you should take this festive season and for the rest of your life. This is a substitute to those artificial beverages or carbonated drinks. Coconut water. Coconut water is a natural beverage that is rich in nutrients and vitamins that are needed by the body for growth and development. Coconut water is low in sugar and low in calories. So these alone is informing us that drinking coconut water has a more positive effect on your health than drinking the carbonated drinks. So wherever you are, get yourself coconut, extract the water from it and drink it. It has a soothing taste, a good taste. So make sure you drink coconut water. Get the coconut water and store it in your refrigerator. Drink it. When you have visitors during this festive season, give them coconut water to drink because it is rich in vitamins and nutrients that the body needs for growth and development. Drinking of coconut water has the following health effects. Coconut water prevents kidney stones. Coconut water boosts your immune system. Coconut water works as a diuretic agent, thereby preventing water retention. Coconut water is a good antioxidant. Drinking coconut water helps to lower high blood sugar. So I don't think you are going to miss the intake of coconut water. Drink it every day. One thing I will again tell you is, I don't really know why God has blessed us with lots of fruits, yet we prefer to buy the processed fruit juices in the market. I want to advise you to get a juicer and make your own fruit juice at home. If it is orange juice that you want, get a juicer and make your own juice. If it is pineapple juice you want, get a juicer or a blender, then get the pineapple. Make your own pineapple juice. It is far, far better than consuming these artificial fruit juices. Take charge of your own health. Take charge of the food you eat, because it will go a long way to save your life. It will go a long way to make you live a healthy life. The water is very refreshing, so do well to drink it. Right, so that is it. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you do, then don't keep this message to yourself. Share this message to save a life. It's very important. Until I see you in my next video, choose the food you eat wisely, exercise, and make sure you visit the hospital occasionally to know your health status. God bless you all. Merry Christmas. Peace.